Hello friends, in this episode I will introduce you to a super interesting product from Fitcamx. Inside this box is a seamlessly integrated dashcam that will blow you away. No more annoying power cables, it's plug and play, so no error messages. It comes with its own casing, almost identical to the original. It connects directly to your phone via Wi-Fi for quick access to recordings, and the video quality is exceptionally good. So, in this video, I will do a quick presentation of the product and its accessories. I'll show you how easy it was to install and power the camera. I'll show you the app that gives you access to the recordings and camera settings. And of course I will show you recordings made in different lighting conditions. Alright guys, intro's over, let's see what this dashcam is all about. To order the camera, all you need to do is click the link in the description. Throughout this video, I'll also provide an 8% discount code for any product on the website, so make sure you watch until the end. Here you will find a catalog with integrated dashcams for a lot of car models alphabetically ordered. The same catalog can be illustrated as a photo gallery. And you can even browse your car model. I will search for Volkswagen Golf, and here we got dashcams for Golf GTI, R, MK7, MK7.5, the MK8, and even a universal version. First I have to choose between Model A or Model B, so I'll go to the second picture and identify the type of rear view mirror cover that I have on the car. Here we got the Model A, here we got the Model B, and there are also two incompatible models, the one with a front sensor or the one with a rectangular cover. There are also before and after photos to see if the product is to your liking. Luckily I have the Model A on the MK7, so I ordered the front 4K dashcam with a 64GB microSD card sold for $168. They also have sets 2K front plus rear 1080p dashcams with 64GB storage, or you can go for the 4K front plus 1080p rear with 128GB storage, of course for different pricing. Underneath you can find video tutorials for the dashcam installation process, a tutorial for the app, a technical data sheet, the schematics for installing the rear camera, the content of the parcel, and plenty of reviews from other customers. They have worldwide shipping and the parcel arrived really fast in perfect conditions, so let's get to the unboxing part. So we got the box with a nice Fitcamx logo. On one side we got the main features of the dashcam: Wi-Fi connection, loop recording, G sensor, super wide angle, perfect fit and high dynamic range. Let's cut the seal. Inside you will find a box for the dashcam and one for the accessories, a nice user manual, and a business card for any technical support you may need. This is a quick general view. On the left end we got a label where it says you can cut according to needed length. The microSD slot has a nice spring system just like action cams, and inside we have the 64GB microSD card. In the accessories box you'll find a very useful plastic pry tool and an SD or microSD card reader. I gotta say, these guys really paid attention to details and I really like it so far. So this is the content of the box. It's time to install the camera and see if it's as easy as they show in their videos. Just before going out to the car, I will split the cover in two using the pry tool as illustrated in their tutorial. Now that I'm inside the car, I'll scan the QR code on the user's manual and go over the installation tutorial because I really don't want to break any plastic tabs. However, the best part about this dashcam is that even if I do break anything, it comes with its own cover. Well, it looks pretty simple, so let's give it a try and see how long it takes. Okay guys, that was it. Because I had to film everything, the installation took much longer, but I would say the whole process should take you about 15 to 20 minutes. I went through the exact steps in the video, I cut a small section of the upper end as instructed on the label, and everything fitted perfectly. To install the app, I'll just scan the QR code on the user's manual. Both iOS and Android operating systems are supported. The app is very easy to install and user-friendly. All you need to do is switch on the ignition to power the camera, activate geolocation and Wi-Fi on your phone, and follow the easy steps illustrated. If you encounter any problems, please check the frequently asked questions, problems and solutions section in the user's manual. I had absolutely no problem installing the app and connecting the phone to the camera. Let's see how the app's interface looks like. You got a pause and take snapshot functions on the main screen. From the settings menu, you can do a few important changes, among which changing the loop recording duration, the video resolution between 4K, 2K and 1080p, the Wi-Fi password, or even reset to factory settings. In the camera file menu, you got your recordings and snapshots. You can download, view and even edit them on your phone. That's pretty much it. Let's see some footage from my dashcam. So this is a daytime footage played in VLC player. Unfortunately, my car's windshield has a chip that obstructs a small area, but it can be seen that even when I make a freeze frame, the image quality is excellent. You can even read the license plate numbers of passing or even parked cars. I don't know if the rendered and uploaded video on YouTube will keep its quality, but trust me, the video quality is just amazing. It's like there's no motion blur in the daytime footage. Let's skip to an evening recording. This is the evening recording. To be honest, except for a little motion blur, the video looks just as nice as the daytime recording. In low speed, I can still tell the numbers and letters on the license plates. I'm sure that a new windshield would make a huge difference, but yeah, I'm quite impressed. Let's go to the night footage. So far so good at low speed. At high speed, the video becomes way blurrier, but that's to be expected in this kind of recording. Overall, this dashcam has exceeded my expectations. It looks great, it's easy to install and comes with a very useful smartphone app. I highly recommend buying it. Click the link in the description and enter the discount code Fitcamx before making any purchase for an 8% discount. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, leave a comment and subscribe for more useful and interesting episodes. Bye bye!